Why do you guys send that to me? Why? Why? I thought we were friends. What in Sally's blue underwear are you doing? Ew! You did not just say you don't know I know what in the family likes or trusts you, did you? Oh, your tongue gonna turn black from lying.
What do you think, Quinn?
Do you have any friends still? I'm just wondering, because I'm wondering about social interaction now.
It's good?
You just made the baby Jesus cry.
You couldn't meet You can't eat at everybody's house. Whoa, whoa, you can't eat at everybody's house. You can't eat. You can't eat. You can't eat at everybody's house.